In the tumultuous 1960s, a landmark event unfolded in the annals of American history. The nation, divided by race and plagued by social injustice, stood on the precipice of change. Amidst the cries for equality and the echoes of civil disobedience, a beacon of hope emerged, the Voting Rights Act of 1965. The southern United States, a region steeped in a legacy of racial segregation, had long suppressed the voting rights of African Americans. Poll taxes, literacy tests, and other insidious tactics had effectively disenfranchised millions, denying them the most fundamental right of a democracy, the right to vote. The crisis was palpable. Bloody Sunday, Selma, Alabama, 1965, became a symbol of the relentless struggle for civil rights. Peaceful marchers, led by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., were brutally attacked by police, their quest for voting rights met with violence and hate. The nation watched in horror as images of the attack unfolded on their television screens. The world bore witness to the injustice, and a groundswell of support for the civil rights movement swelled. Congress, moved by the outcry, took action. Led by President Lyndon B. Johnson, they drafted and passed the Voting Rights Act of 1965. This landmark legislation outlawed discriminatory voting practices and provided federal oversight of elections in states with a history of voter suppression. The act was a triumphant victory for the civil rights movement, a testament to the power of peaceful resistance and the resilience of those who sought equality. But the battle was not over. The act faced numerous challenges in the years that followed, requiring constant vigilance and advocacy to protect and expand voting rights. The Voting Rights Act of 1965 marked a turning point in American history, a monumental stride towards racial equality. It was a testament to the power of collective action, the indomitable spirit of those who sought justice, and the enduring promise of democracy. Yet, as we commemorate this historic moment, we must remember that the struggle for equality is not over. The fight for voting rights continues, a testament to the enduring spirit of those who came before us and the promise of a more just and equitable future.